The most expensive rooms in the world, dili hotels, kundi hospitals. Imagine spending thousands just to stay in a room, not because you want luxury, pero tungod kay masakiton ka. Every year, daghan kayo ang ma-admit tungod sa stress, unhealthy lifestyle, ug tungod kay wala gi-prioritize ang health. And once you are there, it's not just money you lose, it's time, energy, and peace of mind. But here's the good news. You can start taking small steps today. Think about this. 1,800 for Intra? Good for 1 month. Makatabang kayo pag-support sa imong lawas. Compare that 1,800 kulang pa gani sa ER. Always remember this. Prevention is always cheaper than cure. Mas barato ang paglikay kaysa tambal. So choose to invest in your health today. Ayaw paabot nga hospital room na imong bayaran. Simple daily choices can keep you away from the most expensive rooms tomorrow.